In an attempt to avoid any curfew but force COVIDiots to adhere to rules, the Provincial Governor of Chonburi has extended the period of closure for bars, clubs and entertainment areas without an end date this time for the order. This, along with the ban on dining in restaurants, gathering in groups to eat in public places, and the continuance of the ban on entry to all beaches after 8 in the evening. This means that restaurants may only serve food for takeaway with no alcohol or food to be consumed on the premises, the exception being hotels where residents may dine in. The ban on alcohol sales has been amended too, so that no outlet off or on licence can sell alcohol from 6 in the evening through till 6 in the morning. Good news though if you're staying at home and want to finish those DIY jobs, as hardware stores are allowed to open from now on. Monday saw the total number of reported COVID-19 cases rise to 1,524. To put that into perspective, 3 weeks ago we were reporting just 40. The spread is blamed on travel and a lack of awareness or concern by many. New numbers include 27 Bangkok policemen who've caught it too, and maps show a spread to the northeast after many went home following layoffs. With governors having semi-autonomy concerning the virus, we've already seen a curfew set up on Phuket, and incoming travellers other than by air are banned there now. Sakon Nakhon has banned any sale of alcohol, including off-sales. Drivers have seen a reprieve this week. If your Thai licence is expiring, don't worry and don't go to renew it. All have been automatically extended until 15 days after the emergency decree ends, avoiding the usual gatherings at centres and keeping you and their staff safe. Immigration is planning for an inexpensive visa option for those stranded here. Once approved, you'll only need to apply one time, and it will be valid until the beginning of July. At the moment, the only legal extension is 30 days, unless you claim to be ill. The new plan has yet to be approved, but things are moving quickly here right now, and we can expect results in days, if not today. So don't cough up 25,000 baht as some are charging for a 2-month visa. It's worth holding on for a few days as this option is likely to be a lot less expensive. A ban on egg exports has been extended to ensure there's no shortage in Thailand. The only food feature to at one time be in short supply. They're back on the shelves everywhere. And face masks manufactured in Thailand are due to be delivered to all medical facilities and made available to the public. This production has hit 2.3 million masks a day. For locals, the warning remains in place for anyone who visited either the Café de Beach or Con La Fun restaurants on March the 15th, or a beer bar in Soi 6 between February the 24th and March the 26th. The advisory is due to outbreaks at those locations of COVID-19. Previous visitors should self-quarantine for 14 days, and if you have symptoms such as a cough, high fever, sore throat, or are facing respiratory difficulties, you must see a doctor immediately. A phone line for anyone who thinks they have COVID-19 has been set up and you can call for advice on 038 119 777. Fake news in a Buriram jail caused a riot as some lags told others that there'd been a case of COVID there. Long-term jailbirds smashed the place up and set fire to furniture. Several escaped, but most were quickly rounded up by the police and army. It's salary day today, when most get paid and many are in for a surprise here, as numerous businesses are either shuttering or closing. Many have dragged it out until the rent becomes due, but with inner-city rents as high as they are, we're told that numerous businesses will close doors permanently this or next month. A government programme for employees is in effect to guarantee 50% of salary to those legally employed with social security and tax deductions. But with many normally boosting their meagre salaries with tips, that amount won't be huge. The maximum amount payable under the scheme is 50%, up to 15,000 baht. So anyone earning 15,000 baht or more a month is entitled to 7,500 baht. That's a first for Thailand, and the Guaranteed Income Programme has been applauded by all as a sign of social concern. Good news for 83 Thai students kept at Sattahip Navy Base in quarantine for the past 14 days after returning here from Italy. All are well, no COVID, and they've been sent to their homes, with the provision that they remain there for a further 14 days. And with the reminder not to be a COVIDiot, wash your hands every 30 minutes, wear a mask and adhere to social distancing, and the Met Office promising highs of 33 today, dropping down to 28, with the promise of lots of sun. That is the local and national news from Fab FM. For videos and, of course, to keep up with fabulous Pattaya, visit alwayspattaya.com.